So hello everyone, what's up? Welcome back again in a new video. So guys, in this video I am going to share with you a new USDT order grabbing site where you can grab orders and earn money. Okay, in this website you will get 10 USDT sign up bonus also, and you just have to invest a little bit in USDT and you can earn daily 2 USDT. Okay, so all about this website I will tell you. So let's begin the video. So guys, website link given in the this description box. This website name is sharemedia.cc. First of all, you have to create your account in this website. So this is very easy process. First you have to put your mobile number, then password, then confirm your password, and this is transaction password. Must remember all these passwords because this password will help you to withdraw your money and log in your account. Okay, and then click on register now and your account will be created. So first I do this, then we will talk about next process. So guys, you can see after registration this interface will come to front of you. You can see this is the website, and here you can see intro, and you can see my account. I have 20 USD, but when you register for first time you have 10 USD because 10 USD I registered from recharge from myself. Okay, so now I tell you how to earn money through this website. So here you can see VIP levels. So you can see my current VIP is VIP 0, and here I will get daily 2 tasks, and my daily profit will be 0.02 USD, and my monthly income will be 0.6 USD. So this is too much low. Okay, but this is free. Okay, so you can see this is VIP1. For VIP1 you need 20 USD. 10 USD you will get already in sign up bonus, and 10 USD you have to do recharge. That's why I did 10 USD recharge, so I will upgrade in VIP1. You can see you will get daily 2 tasks and daily profit will be 2 USD. It means per order you will get 1 USD and your monthly income will be 60 USD. Okay, and here you can see this is VIP2. In VIP2 you need 50 USD. It means you have to do recharge of 40 USD and your daily profit will be 5.8 USD and your monthly income will be 174 USD. Here you can see VIP3, VIP4, VIP5, VIP6, VIP7 and up to VIP9 you can upgrade here. Okay, so now I tell you how to do recharge. So just click on home option. When you click here you can see here recharge option. Just copy the address. This is USDT TRC20 address, so you have to put here amount. So minimum 10 USD you have to do recharge. So just click on and you can see please payment confirmation page. So just copy the address and do recharge, and then click on payment completed and your recharge will be added. So this is very easy process. Okay, so right now I am not doing recharge because I had already done recharge before making this video. Okay, so now I go back and now I tell you how to upgrade VIP. So for upgrade VIP you have to click on VIP level which you want to upgrade. So just go to VIP option, and I want to join this because I have 20 USD balance. So just click on join now and click on confirm, and you can see VIP recharge succeed. Okay, it's mean recharge this VIP upgraded. Now I show you in here. You can see now I am in VIP1. So now I tell you how to complete orders. So just click on VIP1 and here you will get 2 tasks. So just click on the open the link, and when you click here you will redirect it to Facebook. Now go back and click on submit and your task completed. Okay, so now again click on open the link and you can see again come to VIP, and now again you have to click on submit and your task has been completed. So this is very easy process. Within 10 seconds we had completed the task. Okay, now I show you in my wallet. You can see now my balance is 22 USD. So 2 USD I can withdraw and 20 USD I can't withdraw because these I invested in VIP1. Okay, so 10 USD investment I can get back in 5 days, and after 5 days I will get income. Okay, so now I tell you second method of income. So that is team income. If you have good network you can share this website link with your family, friends, relatives, and anybody join through your link you will get a good commission. Okay, so here is your invitation link. Just copy the link, and this is referral code. Just copy and share with them, and if anybody join through your link and invest you will get a good commission, and not only one level, up to 3 levels you will get commission. So this is crazy income source. Okay, so if you want to make a passive income source just use this and you will definitely earn a crazy income. Okay, so now I tell you how to withdraw this income. So this is also a very easy process. Just click on withdrawal option, and after that you have to put your withdrawal method. Okay, here you can see please add your withdrawal method. So just click on here, and here you have to select your network type. So TRC20, and after that you have to add your USDT TRC20 address. So I add here. So for this I am using IM token, you can see. So now I copy USDT TRC20 address. So just copy the address and go back and paste here and click on edit now, and you can see network address successfully added. Now go back and now click here and select address, then put your fund password and then click on submit, and after that you can see success. Okay, now I show you in my IM token wallet. Here you can see right now my balance, you can see 141 USD, and I am doing refresh and you can see now my balance updated to 143 USD. It's mean I received 2 USD immediately. Okay, it's just take 5 seconds and you will get your withdrawal. So this website is a good website. If you want to earn money, you can use this website and earn a good money. And if you want to watch this types of video, must subscribe my channel, because I regularly upload this type of videos and you will definitely get regular profit by my channel subscribing my channel. Okay, so just subscribe my channel and please like this video. Okay, so I hope you like I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, so we will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.